Got a sunflower in the rain. I just wanted to film my sunflowers here before they started doing some goofy stuff, because it has been raining out here. There are a couple that aren't open yet, but this one's sure looking nice. Look at it. Oh, look at the size of this sucker. And look at that. That is a big sunflower. I thought I'd show everybody. And yep, it is definitely raining, so I'm gonna go back inside. Come on, honey, let's go. Come on, come on, let's go. Come on now, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, it's raining. It's raining, uh-oh, it's raining. It's raining, you better go inside. Go inside, honey. Go in there. Good girl.